Hi everyone, welcome back to Home with Marie. Today I'm sharing 10 beautiful gift baskets you can make affordably at home. I've been collecting a few timeless pieces from thrift shops and pairing them with simple, cozy items to make gifts that look truly special. Let's get started. For the first gift basket, I made a simple thrifted Christmas sweater basket. I found this really nice basket at the thrift store. It was just really dusty, so first I washed it down in my sink. Then I found this vintage wintry looking sweater and I thought it would make the perfect addition to this gift basket. So I washed it up and then folded it up nice and placed it inside the basket. I placed a large chocolate bar on top and topped that with a little reindeer from the Dollar Tree and then held it all together with some Christmassy twine.
Silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright.
Next, I put together a cozy little self-care gift basket. I started with this cute little scalloped edge basket from the thrift store. I used this makeup bag from Dollarama, and from Dollar Tree I picked up a scrub brush for the shower, a little scented candle, and some hand soap. And I'll also be adding in this cute framed picture from the thrift store.
Who would have thought that Christmas could bring tears to my eyes? Don't get me wrong, still enjoy full times. We're gonna sing this song. Look at the snow, it's Christmas, and there's our mistletoe.
For this gift basket, I found a little gift basket kit at Dollarama that already had the filling inside the basket, so I used that to put together this hot cocoa gift basket. I placed different colors of marshmallows into jars to give them a nicer look, added in a tin of cookies, and I put hot cocoa into this jar from the dollar store.
And if you do the very best you can, it won't be hard to understand. And that's how we know it's Christmas for every girl and boy, and you can be sure it's tears of joy.
Now we're going to put together an ice cream sundae gift basket. I used a basket from Dollar Tree and placed in a tea towel, some toppings for the ice cream, and I used another jar to put marshmallows in.
Then we will know it's Christmas for every girl and boy, and you can be sure it's tears of joy. Happy Christmas.
Next, I put together a movie night gift basket. I found this popcorn bowl at the thrift store and washed it up. Then I placed in a tea towel, some popcorn seeds that I had poured into a mason jar, these little sugar cookie decorating kits from Dollar Tree, some popcorn seasoning, and a little ornament from Dollar Tree to add a little festive touch. For this one, I put together a baking gift basket. All of the supplies for this one came from the Dollar Tree. I picked up a basket, a tea towel, a pack of spatulas, some Oreo cake mix, baking cups, and some Oreo frosting. And it made the cutest little gift for any aspiring baker or someone on your list with a sweet tooth. This one is a coffee lover's gift basket. I used a thrifted basket and placed a tea towel inside. Then I found these really nice marble coasters from the thrift store. So I washed those up and placed them in along with all of these coffee supplies and topped it off with a little craft paper star to give it a bit of a handmade touch.
For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne, we'll talk a cup of kindness yet for days of old lang syne. And here's a hand, my trusty friend, and just a hand of thine. We'll talk a cup of kindness yet for old lang syne. For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne, we'll talk a cup of kindness yet for old lang syne.
For this one, I put together a simple sweets gift basket for just a general idea for someone who you might not know what to give them, so a basket full of sweets might make a good option. I used this gift basket kit from Dollarama and placed in all sorts of different sweets and treats from the dollar store.
Old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind. Should old acquaintance be forgot and days of old lang syne? For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne, we'll talk a cup of kindness yet for old lang syne.
Next, I made a little gift in a jar gift basket. First, I put together some blondies and brownies in these jars. Then I used a piece of fabric to wrap around the top of the jar to give it a more aesthetic look. Then I filled 2 more jars with some pre-made cookies and placed them in the basket as well. For this one, I used this colorful cosmetic bag from Dollar Tree, a pair of Christmas socks, 2 bath bombs, some body wash and bath and body gel. I picked both of these because I loved how fun the colors were. And this fun little ice cream cone loofah. All of these supplies came from Dollar Tree and Dollarama.
Angels we have heard on high, sweetly singing o'er the plains, and the mountains in reply, echoing their joyous strains. Gloria in excelsis Deo, gloria.
And for the last one, I put together a cozy little gardener's gift basket using this thrifted wicker tray, a watering can from the thrift store. I also picked up this tin from Dollar Tree and placed a little Christmas tree inside, or you could put in a real plant. And then a nice little candle.
In whose birth the angels sing. Come adore on bended knee, Christ the Lord, the newborn King. Gloria Jesus, Lord of heaven and earth. Mary, Joseph, lend your aid. Sing with us our Savior's birth.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope your holiday season is peaceful, simple, and full of warmth. I'll see you in the next video.